Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the new KVD, let me get the exact name, the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Hydrating Foundation Balm. Now this foundation seemed to be the hottest thing on the market. I discovered it on TikTok. I spent a lot of my happy time on TikTok. And I decided, oh, because I think I saw this girl, Michaela. She's very popular on TikTok. She did. I was like, wow, look at the coverage. I went on Sephora and I saw a lot of the shades were sold out. But I was like, maybe, you know, the lighter shades are sold out. So I was in between 078 and 076. I decided I'm going to go into Sephora and shade match myself. I walked in there and the display looked as though it was hit by a tornado. They were all gone. So I panicked. I went back online. 76 was sold out, so I ended up with shade 78. Okay, so this foundation retails for $38, has a total of 40 shades, and a little bit about the foundation. A buildable full coverage hydrating foundation balm. I've never tried a foundation balm, I don't think. With a lightweight longwear formula and a fresh matte finish in fully recyclable packaging. Oh, that's pretty cool. And the coverage is full. So it's lightweight but full and it's matte. Okay. And there's apple extract, nourishes the skin, free of parabens. Okay, let's get to the nitty-gritty. It's infused with skin nourishing apple extract. This non-comedogenic foundation balm minimizes the appearance of pores and gives skin a smooth, healthy look. The non-cakey, flashback-free formula quickly covers blemishes and discoloration for a speedy confidence boost. Everything else is going to be listed in the description box. So let's get it. It came in this little packaging, has like a little window. And I've swatched it already because I wanted to make sure, you know, because I really had my mindset on 76. But when I saw this, I don't think this is bad. I swatched it last night. I think I saw some olive. I'm hoping I was wrong because I was in a hurry when I swatched it. So this is 078 is what it looks like. The packaging sort of looks like kind of drugstore-ish essence-ish. But still I think it's very pretty. Now, I don't think she's affiliated with this brand anymore, so I'm not going to say Kat Von D. I'm just going to say KVD. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is 078. I'm NC50 in MAC for reference if you're here for the first time. So let's watch it again. See, when I look at, I can see some golden, but to me, I'm seeing a little bit of olive. I hope I'm wrong. Okay, now that I spread it out on my hand, I don't really see the olive. Looks like it's a little dark, but I think that's perfect because I'm tired of buying foundations that are a little too light for me. So this is not bad. All right, so I've already primed my skin. I'm wearing moisturizer. I'm only wearing moisturizer and my Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen, which I love. And I'm filming videos back to back. I'm not sure which one is going to go up first. So I know I talked about my skin in whatever video is going to go up. But as you can see, no color correction. My routine with my turmeric mask and my black soap and stuff has been working. Most of my hyperpigmentation is gone. Remember, around here was like so dark. It's clearing up so nicely. All right, let's jump into the foundation. So since this is a cream, I usually like to put cream foundations on with a brush. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill Times Murphy brush. And I'm just going to go in, swipe it on the brush. Oh, damn. That's super full cup. Okay, I think I have to be, I just barely tapped that in. Oh, that's a lot of foundation. Oh, holy cow. You guys saw that? I barely tapped it in and look. What happened there? Oh my God. Wow. I wish you guys could see my skin in person. That looks like I polished my skin. Let me just tap it because this is, oh my goodness, this is full coverage, but full coverage with a sort of like, oh my God. It's like it's blending itself. Your girl is a little speechless. You notice I'm not really talking that much. I'm shook at. You can put a little bit more here to match that. I put so much over there that, oh my God. I don't know if I needed that much. Try to. Or before we get to the, oh my God. Before we get to my forehead, let's talk about the color match. Now that I put it on, it's looking more neutral than warm because 078 is described as, let's see, for tan to deep skin with a warm undertone. When I think warm, I'm thinking golden and I'm thinking a little yellow, but oh my goodness. So this is looking more neutral, but I don't mind the color. It's definitely not too dark. It's not too light. So I just tapped it in there for the forehead because, you know what? It's the sorcery for me. This is like, this just smooths out your skin immediately, and just putting this on, this initial application, I get the hype. Now it's just to see how it wears. Look how smooth my face looks. What the hell is in this foundation? Wow, this is, gorgeous, guys. Oh my goodness, I am so impressed. And it's so smooth and it just blends itself. Let's see the initial time I put it on. I have time for concealer this morning. I don't have time for anything else. Okay. Me and this phone. It is 5:56 a.m. Yes, a little, it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm filming. I only chance to film today. All right, so I brought out 2 concealers because I wasn't sure about the color, but now that I see it's sort of like neutral-ish, I can go with my Benefit Cakeless. Let's go with my Benefit Cakeless in shade 10. I think this would be a good concealer to use. Lord have mercy. You guys, I don't know how it's gonna wear though, but right now, holy cow. I don't think and this is a foundation balm, wow. Never tried a foundation balm before, but jeez Louise. This is so good. And you would think a foundation balm wouldn't be full coverage, but this is full coverage and so smooth and so, but it feels so light, like a balm. It does feel like you're putting a balm on your face. I'm so shook at. And you know, somebody had made a comment. I'm always talking about somebody making a comment, but they do. Oh, you say the same thing for every video. If I like something, What do you think? What do you expect I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say I like it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna say I don't like it. Okay, yeah, I think this is a nice color for the foundation to warm it up a little bit. Because like I said, it's looking sort of neutral on me. It's so like smooth. It's literally smooths out your skin and like polishes your skin. That's what it does. It looks as though your skin is like polished. Like I just polished my skin and it looks so airbrushed. Alright guys, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup off camera, but right now I've never put on a foundation and my skin just looks instantly so smooth. Look at that. Anyway guys, let me finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be back with more thoughts on this foundation. Alright guys, I'm back with the rest of my makeup done. This foundation is, I'm out of superlatives. It's amazing. The coverage, the way your skin looks, it's bare sorcery. It's bare sorcery, and I'm sorry. I'm not gonna apologize for raving over something if I like it. And this, right now, initially, oh my God. I don't think I've ever seen my skin this smooth. You know what I can't describe how my skin looks. It's just smooth. It's like somebody just airbrushed and polished my skin. Anyway, I set my under eye and all over with my Fenty powders. And jeez Louise. It's now 6:22 a.m. when everything is on, but I initially everything was on at 5:56. So yeah. And I think I like pairing it with the Benefit Cakeless concealer. Who would have guessed this little foundation, this little compact would do this? Honestly, I'm shocked. No wonder it's sold out. Some of the deeper shades though are still there. I think some of the deeper shades are still there. Like the shades that are in the 80s are there. So if you're deeper than me, one, two, I see 4 shades available on Sephora. So if you're deeper than me, trust me, run and grab this foundation. Anyway, I'm gonna go about my day, do my wear test, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this foundation. I just hope it wears well, but right now, this is exquisite. It's stunning. All right, guys, see you later. Okay, guys, I'm back for my final check-in. It's now 2:04 p.m. I first put this foundation on around 6 this morning, so it's been 8 hours, and I think this is good enough time to give my final thoughts on this foundation. And I think my face, how my face looks, how this foundation looks on my skin speaks for itself, and the hype is real. And the word that keeps, every time I look at myself and I think about this foundation and I think about what I was going to say when I come back on camera, I didn't realize this nail was gone. I was like, oh, I was on camera. I didn't even feel it come off because they had to put like a fake nail because it had broken off. I didn't know it was off. Anyway, the word I keep coming up with is smooth. I think I've never owned a foundation, and this includes my Tom Ford, my La Mer. They're beautiful, they're perfect, but nothing has smoothed out my face like this foundation. Like, it's like my face was just polished. Look, there's like a I don't know what to say. It just, your face just gets really, really smooth. I think even if you have texture or anything, I think this can probably smooth it out. It's like your face has been polished. I don't know what else to say. Like, my forehead looks so smooth. Everything just looks smooth. And my laugh lines, like laugh lines, where? Look at that. They're non-existent. It smoothed that out. And, oh. I'm going to keep it all the way real. If something is good and I love it, I'm going to say I love it. If I love 100 things in a row, I'm going to have to say I love 100 things in a row, because this right here, sheesh. Look how pretty this is. It just smooths your skin out completely. Look. Look. Look at my chin. Look at my entire face. I think this is one of the smoothest my face has ever looked. So it's the smoothness for me. It's the way the foundation lasts for me. Around right here looks has like a little shine. I wouldn't say oily. A little shine right here. And ignore the tip of my nose. I have a little highlighter on my nose. But where is it? This little foundation and this little compact here. Don't judge a book by its cover. Honest to God. If I hadn't seen this on TikTok when I had walked into Sephora and I had seen this in the display, I would have walked right by it. Honestly. Just looks like regular schmegular foundation with this. I mean, now I look at it, it's cute. This little clear plastic cover. But this right here, there's witchcraft and magic, wizardry in here, because this is what it does to your face and your skin. Like, if you ever want to look like you have flawless skin, like a baby's skin, try this foundation. I totally recommend it. I have nothing else to say. It's fantastic. I do like this 078 shade. And if this is going to keep flying off the shelf, when this come back in stock, I'm getting a backup, and probably a backup for my backup, because I'm living my best skin life with this foundation on. It's so pretty, guys. Oh. I'm admiring myself. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.